Hello and welcome. In this project, we are going to learn what are Armstrong numbers and how to find them using Python. An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. Let's focus on 3-digit Armstrong numbers for this lesson. For a 3-digit number ABC, where A, B and C are digits, it is an Armstrong number if A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals ABC. Just for an example, 153 is an Armstrong number because 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equals 1 plus 125 plus 27 equals 153. So 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equals 153. So we are going to find Armstrong numbers between 100 and 1000. Alright, so let's dive in. Before that, try to do it yourself. 1, 2, 3, let's get started. Alright, so as I have told you, let's write here for num in range between 100 and 1000. So it will calculate from 100 to 999. Alright. Next, we are checking. What we are checking? The sum of what? Sum of d cube, right? This is the exponentiation symbol or exponential symbol, you can say. D cube, if sum of d cube for d in, we are converting the number to string. So, as I have told you, 153, right? It will be, each will be string. Okay, now this 153 will be string. So for each, we are now calculating the cube. But will it happen? No, because now it is a string. Now D is a string. So we need to convert it to integer. Yes. So if it is equal number, then print num. That's it. Let's hit save. Now let's execute it. There you go. 153, 370, 371 and 407 are the Armstrong numbers. Now you can check that whether these are Armstrong numbers. Like how? 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 0 cube equals 370. 4 cube plus 0 cube plus 7 cube equals 407. 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube is equal to 371. Well, so that's it, guys. So let me go through this statement. Okay, this can be confusing, but no, it's not. String num, it converts the number into a string, so we can iterate over each digit. Int d cube, it raises each digit to the power of 3. Sum, this expression, it adds up the cubes of the digits. So if the sum equals the original number, we have an Armstrong number, right? So there you go. Why is this important? This example is great for learning loops, string and integer manipulation, list comprehensions and generators, logical conditions. It's a fun exercise that helps you practice number theory with real code. So in this lesson, you learned what is an Armstrong number, how to use Python to find all 3-digit Armstrong numbers, how to combine string conversion, list comprehensions, and loops. Now try modifying the code to find 4-digit Armstrong numbers or check if a given number is Armstrong or not. Keep experimenting and happy coding.